Let's draw with AstroDraw. Welcome to the tutorial on how to draw larva. Today, we'll be learning how to draw red and yellow, the main characters from the larva series. Don't worry, even if this is your first time drawing, I'm sure you'll do great. First, let's draw the basic shapes of yellow. His body is like the letter J. Continue drawing the eyes with an oval shape. Add the eyebrows. Then draw a kind of antenna on his head. Then draw his smiling mouth. Then draw the stripes. Alright, this looks good already. It's time to color. First, color it yellow. Both color with bright yellow color. Third, color his eyes and nose black. Great! Now color the mouth dark red. Okay. Color red for her tongue. Yellow coloring is done. Now move on to drawing red. First, draw the shape of the body first. Continue drawing 3 strands of hair. Just draw a simple round eye. Don't forget to draw the eyebrows and a half circle for the mouth. Good! Time to color him. Let's take red for the body. Okay, great. Now take the orange color for the stripes. Next, paint black for the eyes. Then color a dark red for the mouth. Finally, color red for the tongue. Done! You've successfully drawn red and yellow from the larva series. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and can use this knowledge to draw many other characters. See you in the next tutorial. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.